Oh my god, how unfortunate this. Okay, we got this is really bad. Like, this candle was not supposed to happen. Greetings, my dear friends, welcome back to another video. My name's Antrade, and today we are continuing our mission. Yesterday we took out on a journey to start from $1 and go as far as we can trading with my brand new AI trading tool that me and my team has released just recently. This tool is already available for use, and if you're already convinced and if you've seen enough from my previous videos, then you can get this tool by sending me a message on Telegram at Antrade_Pro and getting yourself into VIP trading group. In that group you will get all the things that you need as a trader. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or already a seasoned trader, you will be able to find something for yourself. Now, this robot is definitely a game changer. I cannot say anything more about it. It is definitely one of the tools that's going to shape the way you see trading, and it's going to help you tremendously to make sure that you maintain a solid win rate. Currently the tool itself sits at 90% win rate. You have access to 5 different markets over 8 time frames. You can trade between 1 minute to 1 day. The tool itself is directly integrated into pocket option, which makes it exceptionally easy to place trades and also increases its accuracy dramatically. So if that is already enough for you, then make sure to check out the links in the description below. You can find all of the information there. I also have a free signals group, and as I mentioned previously, yesterday we started with $1 and we made it $220. So today our goal is around $1,000, which should be easier, but we will see. And of course I'm gonna try to trade a little bit slower here to not lose the money, but we're gonna follow the signals from the robot. We're not going to perform any technical analysis. So once again, if you want more content like this, then check out my trading group. The links are in the description below. And now let's jump into trading and see if we can get the goal today of $1,000. Let's go. Okay, so here we are, we're back to trading. Let's go into it and not waste any time. We are going to trade on one of the charts that we have here. Do we even have to go anywhere? There you go, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. We don't have to do anything. I'm gonna select 1 minute. I'm gonna press start analysis, and the robot is gonna do the analysis in just under a few seconds. And there it is, a buy position. So I'm placing a buy position immediately. I'm gonna place $20 only. Don't want to get carried away on my first signal, and if the price drops low enough, I will drop another like $40 or something. But as you can see, the robot also gives us the analysis, the breakdown of the analysis. EMA 5 crosses EMA 20 from below, confirming short-term bullish momentum. This is exactly what we're seeing here, and that is why we're placing a buy position. Beautiful so far, looking great for us. And this is how easily you can trade. This is once again zero technical analysis right here. We simply went on following the trade, the signal from the robot, and now we are about to make $18 off of this trade. Wonderful, beautiful, and let's see this conclude in 15 seconds. The tool is flawless. It's made so the signals that you're receiving are very comprehensive. You don't have a lot of text. It's easy to follow. You have your signal, your direction that you should be taking, that you're advised to take, and you can make a decision on whether or not you want it. There you have it. We're at $138, and let's go and find another entry now. All right, next trade is going to be once again on OTC market. As you know, OTC market has pretty good payouts, so we're gonna stick to that. Let's see if we have Australian dollar, United States dollar. Yes, we do. So let's try it out. Let's go to 1 minute, and now we can increase our trading amount as well. So we're gonna go to $30 on our next one. I'm gonna change it while we wait for the signal. Buy position, boom, I'm placing a buy position here, and now I'm waiting. If the price drops, I'm gonna double up and drop another $60 on this, and there it is. Yep, this is what I like to see. And if it drops again, I'm gonna cover up that one. Oh, beautiful, there it is. So now we keep it as it is. The volatility is pretty high on this chart, so we might see some fighting going on between bears and bulls, but hopefully for us, we get the money. That's all that matters. That's what we came in for. And as you can see, once again, the robot provides you with analysis, a screenshot of the chart, and if you look, if you pay attention, it is exactly the same as we have right here. So this is not just some random chart, it is actually the chart you're trading on. And RSI is acting the oversold zone, which while ADX shows increasing trend strength, and the EMA 21 is slopping upwards. So beautiful analysis right there, very comprehensive, and you can learn how to utilize all of these indicators with this tool as well. We have 4 seconds left on our first trade, and there it is. Boom, we got a little bit of money right there. And the second one, ooh, we get some okay, this is unfortunate for us. This is unfortunate. We take one loss and we pretty much even out and come out on top. But decent trade. We lost a little bit of money here. No worries, we can recover that with our next trade. So let's continue. Once again, OTC market, and as you can see, the price starts to get pushed back. So let's see if we can get some on Euro United States dollar. Once again, selecting the asset here in the robot, select 1 minute, press start analysis, and you can see how fast I'm going through these signals, not wasting any time. We're going straight in, buy position as suggested by the robot, and now we wait to see if we're gonna get a red candle here or if we are actually gonna see the continuation of an uptrend. As you can see right here, we might be having a reversal, so I'm gonna drop another $30, sorry, as I am actually expecting a reversal to happen, because I see the bullish engulfing pattern, which is nice. And the analysis from the robot, SMA 50 trends higher with the price staying above a significant trend line. Beautiful. And you can see on the screenshot as well, we see bullish engulfing pattern, which is also a sign for reversal, and this is exactly what we are looking at right now. 20 seconds to go. This is gonna be nice trade right here. This is gonna make us some money. I'm gonna try to ramp up the speed of these trades so we don't actually spend another 2 hours trading. I'm gonna drop a little bit more money and be a little bit more confident with my trades. But this is how you should be trading when you're trading by yourself. This is of course done for video purposes. We have the first trade come in. You could have dropped a full amount, but you always need to money manage. I say about that every single video, and I'm gonna continue doing it every single video. I'm gonna say the importance of the money management. The main thing you should learn: without money management, nothing is possible. It doesn't matter how good your tools are, it doesn't matter how good your strategy is. If you don't do any money management, you will eventually lose. So make sure to learn that, and you can learn that in my trading group, so check out the links in the description below. Now let's do our next trade. Let's select our trading asset. Let's go to OTC market. Let's look what we have here. United States dollar, Japanese yen. Do we have that? We have a lot of interesting assets today here. So I want to go for what's Canadian Japanese, what's with Canadian Japanese yen. 65%, don't like it. I want some decent payouts. I don't want to lowball myself. I don't want to trade on low payouts. Let's look at, once again, let's go with the same one. Why are we, let's go to Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, why are we making this complicated? Let's start analysis. This is looking like a buy position to me. Let's see if the robot is behind me with that downward position. Okay, let's place it. Even though I see a level here, so I'm not sure. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna wait for the price to get a pushback here before I drop some more money, if we're gonna see that. Actually, let's wait a second. All right, there it is. There's another trade that I'm gonna drop, another $30 right there. And I see the level. That's why I'm a bit skeptical about this signal, but ooh, okay, we drop another 30, and there it is. We might have to drop another 30 right there. I think there is another 30 comes in, and this is already pretty substantial for us. However, I do believe we're gonna see some rejection coming in, which will yield us the profit that we are looking for here. This is exactly what's going on. Beautiful. We just need to secure this one, and then it will be great. Oh my god, this might be the big trade that we were looking for. Just hold on for a second. No. Okay, hold on. All right, this is rough. Come on. All right, we lost the first one, but we should be still getting the next 3, which is of course gonna be great for us. This is gonna yield us pretty good amount of money, and also cover the loss that we had on the first one, even though that was really close. There it is. We have the first one. We have 10 seconds left on the second one, and we also have 13 seconds left on the final one, which is gonna bring us to over $200 of profit. So let's observe this. There it is. Beautiful execution, and we are breaking $200 of profit. And reminder, we already made $120 since the start of a trading session. Now let's go to the next chart. Let's hit up Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's see, Australian dollar, United States dollar. We had some success on that one. Once again, 1 minute expiration time, start analysis. That's what we want. Let's get it in right there. Buy position, I can get behind that. This is the levels that I drew for before that, for the trading session before that. So I'm gonna remove them, and now I'm waiting for the price to reverse here. Actually, this looks like already a reversal coming, so I'm gonna place another $30 here, and let's observe this. If the price dips a little bit more, ooh, there it is, and I'm catching that immediately with multiple trades as the price dips, and another one as the price dips even more. This might be very big for us, or this might be horrible loss. We're about to find out, I guess. So let's see how this plays out, and let's see if we're able to get some good money on this trade. All right, this is not looking good for us. Unfortunately, the price stopped out and we kind of lost quite a bit of money here. We did get some wins, but we are, oh my god, that was really bad. So we're back to the square one, and this happens, you know. That's what I'm saying. You have to money manage. If I went all in, I would have lost everything, but we are back to square one. So let's find a good entry now and get all the money back here. We want to get back into it immediately. Let's try it. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's go ahead. 1 minute, start analysis. Let's see what we get here. Buy position. All right, let's go. 3 trades here, and I still have money to drop another one in case I need it. It seems good, seems chill, seems like the price is starting to reverse here. So let's observe this and get our money in 40 seconds. Wonderful, here we are. We're back all the way to where we were with just one trade, and let's continue. Let's not stop the process. We want to keep going. We want to keep building. Euro United States dollar is going to be the next one for us, and if you pay attention, there are no skips here. We just simply going in and trading, and our goal is $1,000. So let's see if we can get that. Now we're gonna take this one very seriously here. Buy position as the price dips. We're probably gonna see a pretty strong reversal here, but I'm gonna observe this candle right here and see how it behaves. Drop another one and drop another one right there. This might be mirroring of this one, so we're gonna drop more money on these trades as the price. There it is. We get all in almost. We left with $24, and now all we need to do is see that green candle come shining on us and blessing us with some money. So let's observe and see if we are able to get that. This might be very big for us. Let's go. Okay, we get a return on that one. Oof, the volatility today in the market is not pleasant, but we got a return, and it seems like we're getting quite a bit of money there. Beautiful. In the last seconds, we actually pull through. We get a bullish candle, and we secure all the money here, and that boosts us all the way to over $340. Beautiful, lovely. All right, let's proceed, and let's get some good money now. This might actually take us to over $500 if we place this smartly. Euro, Great Britain, pound, right? Let's go for a more classic approach. Let's start with this. Oh, this volatility on this one is rough. Let's see, almost no movement here actually. Very slow volatility. Let's see what the robot thinks. Sell position. Let's place a sell position as the massive bullish candle appears, and hopefully it gets rejected here. I'm gonna place multiple trades, and as you can see, I space out my trades a little bit so they are not clumped up in one area here. That is done in order for me to be able to secure more trades than that is done so I can diversify my entry, so I don't lose everything at the same time if I place one trade in one point, you know what I mean? So you want to diversify your trades so you're able, maybe you lose one but get the next two, or maybe you lose two but you get still one. This is extremely important. You want to manage that. You want to look how the candles behave, how the price behaves, and this is looking very good for us so far. But I also expect a pretty strong rejections to come in, so we might see the candle, but 10 seconds might be just enough for us to secure. We're about to see that. Oh, this is moving up fast. This is moving up fast. Can we get a little bit of rejection here? We get the first one. Ooh, we get the second one, I think, as well, and the third one. Wonderful, wonderful execution right there, right there, right there, right there. Just hold on for a second. There it is, there it is. That's what I'm looking for. Almost all the way to $500, $480. Let's go to the next one. Let's see if we can get the Euro Japanese yen on this chart. We don't have Euro Japanese yen available, I think, here, but let's see Australian dollar Japanese yen, 50%, horrendous. Canadian Japanese yen, 54. Great Britain pound Australian dollar, let's see what that is. Really bad payouts here, but we need that. There we go. Let's see Euro United States dollar. We might go big on this one, by the way. Depending on the analysis, I will take a sell position here as the price hits the level, but we're about to see what the robot thinks. And the robot thinks we should be taking a buy position. So let's place a little bit, let's place 30, see what the candle looks like. Yeah, that candle seems to be, there it is. Catching that little dip right there. Might see another one. Yep, there it is, catching another one. And let's observe. Yeah, we need that pushback now. But as you can see, the robot does an amazing job of just providing you a clear to follow signal, and then it lets up to you. Then you have to make a decision how much you want to place, how you want to place your trade. That is why you need to learn how to be confident, how to see the situation. This will be helpful for people who are just getting into trading, but also for those who already have some knowledge and have some understanding on how to trade. This will be also very nice for you because you will have a much easier time. And we seem to be losing quite a bit here. This might set us back $90, which is fine. As we proceed, we lost the first one. We still might be able to get a few trades here, but as I said, we are at a level here, so as long as we get this one and the next one, we should be good. Looking at this candle, oh yeah. All right, unfortunate, but we are kind of still at the same area. Don't want to go anywhere. Let's go back to Euro Great Britain Pound. We had a lot of success on Euro Great Britain Pound, and let's go and see this. I am looking at this and seeing if this aligns with my analysis. We might see some good entry right here. Let's see what the robot thinks. Downwards. All right, let's take it. Let's take $90 here on the first trade. If the price gets pushed back, we enter more. If it doesn't, we keep it as it is, and it seems so far looking great. There's no support level anywhere, so we might be just hitting a reversal here and going into the downtrend. So as you can see, the robot says there is bearish pressure confirmed by RSI, so we are simply just going to ride this out. This is going to be almost $100 of profit here from this trade with 92% payout. All we need is the continuation. We don't need any green candles, so let's just keep it rolling. Oh my god, how unfortunate this is. Okay, we got, this is really bad. Like, this candle was not supposed to happen, and I want to hit this market once again. That is very unfortunate. We were supposed to get it with such ease, and as you can see, the market sometimes has completely different intentions, and that was really bad. That was looking really good at first, and then we lost. But this is why money management is important. Now it says buy position, so let's drop a buy position. As we're trading on 1 minute, you can see how fast the trends can change, and this is why trading on 1 minute can be extremely dangerous. And this is why this robot has more than one time frame. You can trade on even on 1 day and be able to take much longer trades, and then you will have a much cleaner entries, much easier to follow trades. So check it out. Once again, we try to give you as many options as possible so you have an easier time trading and not having complicated decisions to make. So this is what the focus of this robot is, and here we are. placing $60 to recover our losses from the last one. This should be pretty nice for us. And there it is. We've been stuck at kind of $450 for quite some time. I think it's time for us to go, guys. I think it's time for us to go in and get finally our profit and hit it hard. So once again, strong pressure coming in, probably once again changing the sentiment. There it is, 470. All right, let's actually do some work here. Let's actually do some work. Let's increase our trading amount to 150. This is gonna be a bit different ball game now. And Australian dollar, United States dollar. Let's go. Select 1 minute here as we're looking to take this trade very fast. You can see how this is just we zooming through the trading session upward direction. I'm placing $150, waiting for a few seconds to see if the price goes lower. If it doesn't, if it does, I want to see more. Oh, there it is. There it is, $150, and we'll see if we have to drop another one. We're dropping another one right there in the middle. So we have them spaced out a little bit, and now all we need is a nice green candle. So let's observe this trade. This might be actually huge for us. This might take us almost all the way to 1,000. Beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, let's go, let's go. This is, I love this, I love this. This is great. There it is, 596, and another one, and we're only one trade away, one decent trade away from making it to 1,000. And guys, there it is, from $120, no skips, just straight up going and trading, and we made it here. Money management, once again, look at that. Combined with the robot's precision, you get this. You get this. Trade smart. Use your brain when you're trading, and you're gonna see success. That's what I'm about. If you want to learn how to trade like this, check out my trading group. We have all the information that you need. You are going to see how easy it is to actually go into market and dominate it. Let's go again. Start analysis. Let's see what the robot suggests. Probably a sell position, even though I would take a buy position. Yep, and exactly that is what I'm seeing, a buy position. So I'm dropping 300 here, and this is all I need to put on my trade unless the price drops lower. This is all I need to do. There's a level here, so I hope we don't go too low here, but there's quite a bit of pressure coming in after this reversal, so I'm gonna drop another 150 on this trade right here. This might set us back. Actually, this is not looking too great, but we are risking it. We're putting the money up front. The level is here, and all we need is a little bit of bullish pressure to push the price up. So let's see if that's the case. All right, well, was unlucky. We lost a bit. We're back to 722. Still one trade away only. So let's find that final trade that we need. All right, let's go to Euro United States dollar. Let's finish this. Let's finish this. We only need one trade, and it has to be a good trade. And this looking like a good chart for that. We should be seeing a reversal happening here. Let's press start analysis, and this should be it. If we get good analysis here, we should be getting all the money that we need. Buy position here as suggested by the robot, pricing 150, observing how the price behaves. If it drops down, I'm gonna drop another 150 there, but as you can see, it seems looking pretty good so far. There's a level here obviously, so we're gonna see some pushback on this candle for sure, but we are taking it slow. We're taking it slow. Slow and steady wins the race, guys, and that's what's important. Until you get to that comfortable position where you can place $200, $300 on each trade without worrying too much, take it slow. Make sure you have taken your time to analyze what's going on the chart. Look at what the candles are doing. Look how the price moves before going in hard and placing all your trades. So once again, let's observe this. This is looking like a good one, and we're only gonna be one trade away. So let's finish this. Let's play this smart. Let's play this smart, and let's get some of this money. 860, and let's do the final trade. Let's do the final trade. Let's go, for example, for Euro, Great Britain, Pound. I think that we had some good trades on. 1 minute, start analysis. Let's get the game on. Let's get the game on. sell position right there, double sell position on this one, and we let this play out as we have rejection coming in off of this level. And we seem to be making it all the way to 1,000. So let's look at this. This trading robot is available to you right now. So if you want to get it, check out the links in the description below. Send me a message on Telegram and get yourself this tool and start changing the way you trade. Get on this. This is AI based. You want to be the first one to get on AI train. The world is changing quickly and you want to utilize AI in almost every single aspect of your life because you can see the value of it. And there it is. This is what I wanted, and we are at 1.1k. There it is. This is the work that we've been doing. This is the work that we put into the robot. 0 skips, full trading session from 120 to 1,000. This is what this is. This is part 2. Next goal is $5,000. This is going to be the next trading session, and we can see if it is possible. But you can see, guys, with this robot, we were able to make from $1 to 1,000 in 2 days. This is what it is. So if you're interested in learning how to trade, if you want to learn how to manage your money, how to place your trade smart, how to be confident and not lose focus when you're taking a loss, because we took some losses today, make sure to check out my private trading group. You have also access to 4 different trading robots in that group. You can find the link in the description below or send me a message. I also do daily trading sessions with me and my team. So if you want to follow the signals that we are working on, then make sure to check out the link as well. And you will also have access to the daily breakdowns of trades, news breakdowns, and much more. Valuable trading tips, all of that is going to be available to you for free in my trading group. I appreciate you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you love this content, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.